And the levitating water experiment, defying gravity with science. Opening hook. What if I told you that you could make water float in midair, defying gravity without any magic? Today, we were going to perform an experiment that seems impossible at first glance, levitating water using nothing but science. And the best part, you can try this at home. Introduction to the science. This mind-bending trick is all about inertia. One of the most fundamental concepts in physics described by Newton's first law of motion. Inertia is an object's resistance to changes in its motion. If something is moving, it wants to keep moving. If it's at rest, it wants to stay at rest. Today, we'll use inertia to make water appear to hover in the air, at least for a split second. Experiment setup. Here's what you'll need. A glass filled with water, about halfway. A smooth, stiff card or a small plastic plate. A steady hand. Step-by-step explanation. 1. Place the card or plate over the mouth of the glass, making sure it's completely sealed. 2. Hold the glass firmly with one hand and press down lightly on the card with the other. 3. Now quickly flip the glass upside down, smoothly but decisively. Once the glass is fully inverted, pause for a second, then slowly slide the card out of the way. So, the physics behind it. Why doesn't the water come crashing down? When you flip the glass, inertia keeps the water moving in its original direction, upward for a brief moment. Meanwhile, atmospheric pressure pushes up on the card from below, counteracting gravity's pull on the water. If you do it fast enough, the water won't have time to fall before the card seals the opening, trapping the water inside. Surprising observations. If you try this a few times, you'll notice something fascinating. The faster and smoother the flip, the better it works. But if you hesitate or tilt the glass, gravity wins, and splash. This shows just how delicate the balance between inertia, air pressure, and motion really is. Real-world applications. This principle isn't just a cool party trick. Engineers use inertia and fluid dynamics in everything from fuel tanks in rockets to water treatment systems. Understanding how forces interact helps us design better technology, from shock absorbers in cars to spacecraft re-entering Earth's atmosphere. Conclusion and takeaway. So, the next time you see something defy gravity, even for a split second, remember, it's not magic, it's physics. Inertia is all around us, shaping how everything moves. Try this experiment yourself and see how changing speed or angle affects the result. And if you manage to keep the water floating, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science experiments. See you in the next video, where we'll bend light with nothing but water.